Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to send a PDF on iPhone. So simply just open your photos and you will be just selected of any photo like this example of Facebook logo, and is the left bottom corner option is the share button simply, and we will just scroll down and just first thing is that we will just save to my files, and simply just tap on it and replace, and we will just finding the files in my iPhone. Simply open it and you will be just hold it this picture like this, and in the second last option is the quick actions. Simply just tap on it, and the fourth option is create PDF. Simply just tap on it as well. So but right now it will be my storage is full, so in this way we'll just have to create a PDF, and after you will be just hold it the PDF and you will be just tap on it to about copy or share, and you will be just send it with the WhatsApp or by email or airdrop or something or more. So in this way you will just have to send PDF on iPhone. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.